Hi, this is Annie, and welcome to Sensing Vitality. This is a short practice just to kickstart your day or a break in your day to help you with organizing from the Chipmunk series, which is part of the squirrel family. And chipmunks know a lot about storage, and this is just how to prepare yourself to organize your day, your week, your month. We're going to just start with a little warm up grooming. Rub your hands together. Chipmunk grooming video. And it is fun to watch animals grooming. So rub your hands and then stroke your head and just connect with your body with your hands. And it's neat to see how different animals groom. And I watched a number of chipmunk grooming videos in preparation for this class. Go ahead and stroke all the way down to your feet. And they do it in short little bits because they're afraid of all different kinds of predators that might swoop in and get them. So they're grooming and they stop and they look. So it's this abbreviated short bits of grooming. Yeah. But it's kind of neat to think about that in your day, that you can just do a little bit at a time, because you've got other things going on, maybe hopefully not a predator after you, but here they are grooming. And, there's a lot of predators that like to eat little chipmunks, including this cat I used to have. And so they need to be very awake and alert. So as you stroke yourself, just to be kind of waking up your body with your touch as you stroke your arms, breathing, so that you can be present and sort of not miss a moment type of thing. Yeah. And then stroke your back. The other thing that stroking does, I've talked about this before, but it really helps if you have fear to just move it on down to the floor. Because fear, if it goes up, it becomes anxiety. And when we stroke ourselves like this, it really helps calm the nervous system, but it also helps literally move energetically our attention to the ground where we are supported and held right now. So stroke your back, and then let's come with your hands on your belly and go clockwise to the left, down and around, and breathing. And I can't stress this enough with the belly, that as you stroke your abdomen, you kind of sink into this connection with the earth. Our bellies truly connect us to the earth. And if you have a lot of digestion issues right now, or have had them, I was reading something recently, just how important it is to be relaxed when you eat. Yeah. So maybe do this before a meal. Yeah. Certainly after a meal is good too. It'll help you digest. And it always makes me salivate. It's just so funny. But anyway, go around in a circle and relax your shoulders and try to let go of a lot of the mental chatter. Yeah. So chipmunks are actually pretty easily agitated. You'll hear them chip, 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 defending their territory. If there's a predator, they're announcing it. They're really excellent in telling us what's going on in the woods because they're quite vocal a lot of times, similar to squirrels that way. Go slowly and see if you can go a little more slowly. So if you're a bit wound up, just slow your circle down around the belly and relax your shoulders and elbows so that you maybe even tap a heel to connect to the ground. Because our culture is getting more and more in our heads, all this time on phones and thinking. This is your time to get into your body and sense what's going on physically with yourself. Now take the left hand on the bottom, right hand on top, and just shrug your shoulders so you can sit for a moment. And in the squirrel family, one of the quintessential qualities of this entire family, the squirrel and the chipmunk, is this idea of gathering and storing food for the winter. Yeah. And really kind of planning a bit how to take care of yourself. And whether you think about this as your day ahead or the week ahead or the month ahead, this idea of just doing one step at a time, one nut at a time, but having a sense of how is my shelter right now? How is my home? Do I have enough? Yeah. So you don't overly hoard, that your house isn't crammed full of things so that you can't move around, that you know where things are. And that if you had to move, it wouldn't be a big stress on you. So it's not, you don't have too much stuff. Yeah. So there's this simple way of living. And just not putting too much on your plate today. Yeah, so you can enjoy your day, enjoy your week, and take a breath. Exhale, and just settle. One more, inhale, and then settling. Beautiful. All right. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your comments, for subscribing, and I will see you next time. Take care.